Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to take photo without touching phone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. iPhones have a voice control feature that allows you to perform various tasks using voice commands, while voice control is not specifically designed for photography. You can't use it to open the camera app and take a photo. And here's a general guide on how to do this. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Navigate to Accessibility. Step 3. Tap on Voice Control under the Accessibility menu. Step 4. Set up voice control by following the on-screen prompt to enable the feature. Once completed, proceed to Customize Commands and create a new command. Add a phrase for activation. For example, "This is optional," or "shoot." Now, navigate to the Action section and select Run Custom Gesture. Tap on Hard Controls and ensure you are familiar with the position of the camera capture button. If needed, mark the button's location with a whiteboard marker. Tap on the button, wait for it to load. Now go back, go to Application, and make sure the camera is only selected. And finally, hit Save. Now you can activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," and it will redirect you to the camera section. Utilize the phrase "the shoot" that is set during the customization and will successfully capture the photo by saying the magic word "shoot." And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.